Now, if you're a project construction site manager as a user, so what do you expect? Well, first of all, let me assure you, nobody's going to take your job away. I know a lot of them have this deep fear that the computer, software, hardware, whatever, anything computerized, it's just like a job threatening. Well, don't worry about it because there's no, live person out there to replace you. But rather, you would find typically, obviously, the first easy part is all the gate receiving schedules are automatically line up for you after the very extensive studies on the traffic and the model analysis and everything. And of course, the truck delivery route path also designed was the optimization all well considered and well thought through by the computer system that you don't care and you don't really even know how and everything worked out and you don't care. Basically, you just benefit from it. So when you have like a 6,000-7,000 trucks in the daily traffic on site, a lot of this is already planned for in your behalf. And also, whatever the bottleneck is obviously there, and to be the first valid concern to eventually build out traffic and to get in the way of the daily deliveries, and the snowball will keep building because of it. Well, that will be taken care of by the 5PL system, basically with all the model analysis try to minimize that impact from the bottleneck if not able to be eliminated altogether. So with this, basically your job as the construction site manager will become a lot easier. But that doesn't mean you ain't got nothing to do, because you will still be busy. Only the errors will be significantly reduced, at least the human error part, because that's where the computer system come in and help immensely. So with that, you would have a lot less chaos at hand. We mentioned about the construction site bottlenecks. So with the optimization planning, your site plan becomes a lot more reasonable. So when you assign the staging space for each and every subcontracted 3PL separately, representing each and every awarded EPCs respectively, you are going to have a lot more confidence in the staging space or whatever the logistic operation space, the laydown yard, how you divide it, because basically the 5PL will provide the model, the plan, everything in all the different scenarios for you and give you all the, the good versus the bad, so you can weigh out and make your decision. If you do prefer to make your own decision, by electing the scenarios as your options. So as the construction site manager, your workload will be significantly reduced, and yet you still have a lot to do and you still need to concentrate on those important stuff. Whereas what is 5PL system? It's just a computer system. There's no human there. And it's just basically designed to help you take some of the humanly not impossible, at least very difficult tasks away from your plate, and yet return with the good options for you to choose from, right? So as a construction site manager, once again, you're assured nobody's going to take your job away, only to make your job a whole lot easier. Yes, that's what a 5PL system does for a construction site manager.